sorry, my mistake. I figured I'd bring the tow truck just in case things got worse.
You should come out here, it's nice out.
My dad always said, don't go down anything you're not sure you can't get back up.
Yay, let's do another.
Winter has arrived, and we're throwing ourselves right into a blizzard run.
Shake it good. Dun, 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 dun.
This is how we take care of it.
It's not working.
Go!
This is the story till now.
We found some winter, didn't we?
Just a little bit.
I even had to put the woolly jean jacket on.
Hey,
Ugh.
it's not. You're not Ryan without the woolly jean
That's
jacket.
exactly. This is my Canadian tuxedo.
Definitely hoodie weather here.
Yeah.
So-
So where'd you get that from?
I got this hoodie from TSTN Does Shop.
Yeah, you did. Is this the first time you're gonna have this out in the snow?
This is the first time I'm going to have this out in the snow.
Oh, you're gonna be amazed.
Oh, I can't wait. Hopefully we get some
Lockers
good
and
deep
everything.
stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, kind of feels like you should have brought your overland trailer for these conditions.
But the problem is I'm trying to actually sell the trailer right now. You can buy it on Facebook Marketplace at this link below.
So if you guys remember, we were having some issues with the Trail Destroyer. So everyone told me that the problem was the star connector, which all the CAN bus stuff goes through behind the glove box. So we couldn't figure out what was wrong, so we just changed that part. I took it up to Stave Lake and beat on it for like 2 hours, and it seems to be good to go. So hopefully Bruce isn't towing us home again. It's awesome out here.
We headed out this way fully expecting wet, rainy conditions. So some blue skies and the fresh snow was definitely a welcome thing as we look for a place to camp for our first night.
All right, we just pulled up to Windy Lake. It's not that windy.
Calling it Windy Lake might just be, like an Iceland kind of situation to keep people away.
Look at the big eagle's nest on the tree up there.
Oh, look at that.
That's huge. It's a nice lake. I bet there's fish in here.
Bring your pole?
Nope. It's too cold to be out fishing. That is a gorgeous lake. What a spot.
What a spot indeed.
I think you got the best spot here.
You think so?
That lake view?
Look at that.
This is the first time this year I've had to put on the parka. It is close to freezing out here. And as the sun goes down, it's definitely going to get more so.
This location would definitely do for the night. And as usual, when Gretchen is with us, she was cooking up an amazing hot meal for the crew.
Nothing too fancy, just some tortellini with pesto and then some cheese-filled gnocchi. You know, just easy to make, tasty things.
Every time.
So we'll split this up and then I'll cook some gnocchi and then we'll have that as like a...
Yes.
And yes.
That's good. Good morning.
Otherwise, like, yeah.
This is a good camp spot. It's like -2 this morning, a little bit chilly. But it's probably gonna be colder where we're going, way up into the mountains. We're gonna head up, try and get to that fire lookout, which is one that I've never been to. So that'll be fun. So far, the Trail Destroyer has been holding up really good. We're about, I don't know how many hours we did on the highway there, about 3 hours maybe. And, you know, a bunch off-road and no issues, no engine lights. So we're looking good. I think it's fixed. Knock on hood.
I was walking around, I found a moose paddle.
What?
So I'm gonna take it home. I'm gonna use my my brand new Sherpa rack here to mount it to my roof.
No fresh snow on the road today. Leftovers from yesterday. A little slick. Should start snowing on us when we get up into the mountains later today, though, which will make for a fun time. This freaking Honda almost ran us off the road.
Oh, fancy meeting you here.
Yeah.
I figured I'd bring the tow truck just in case things got worse, so.
Nice.
Yeah. So you got some brakes?
Yeah. My light went away, so.
Nice.
Yeah, I mean, I've just been.
Now you don't even have the light.
Yeah.
I was like, what's a funny thing to do with a person with no brakes? Let's swerve in front of them on a downhill.
Nice. Gretchen's brake fluid's a little low, so we
There we
called
go.
Lordco for the delivery.
Yeah.
And,
Expedited.
yeah.
Thank you.
See how this goes.
Good job.
Hopefully I don't need this much.
Brought out the big truck.
Yeah, well, you know, it's got the winter tires on it.
Oh. Yeah.
They aren't snowflake rated, but
Practically studded.
I have a feeling we'll be okay, so there might be a dusting of snow.
All right, we just refueled in town, picked up Bruce and Denny, and now we're heading over to the next trail. We're gonna head up way high into the mountains and definitely gonna be getting into some snow.
I should have known as soon as I saw that Bruce brought Large Marge that we were in for a crazy day. And it wasn't long at all as we headed up into the trail before we got right into some snow on the ground.
already with all the yellow grass and the snow.
Yeah, I'm into it.
Next thing you know, I'll be on your YouTube.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, have a good one.
Yeah.
See ya.
Meet you guys.
They had no brake fluid, which is the same problem that Gretchen had earlier, so we happened to have a jug of brake fluid and we were able to help him out. He also has no clutch, which doesn't help either, but hey, one problem at a time, right? And it's snowing.
We decided to make a quick stop at a snow cabin nearby where we ran into some more people.
Great to meet you, man.
What'd you say your name was?
Josh.
Josh. Nice to meet you, Bruce.
Bruce,
Yeah.
great to meet you.
Hey, Sean.
Good
Nice to meet you.
man.
Man, wow.
Hi, Sean.
Nice
Nice to meet you.
mountain
Yeah,
today.
yeah.
Yeah, there's so many nice people out here.
Hi, Gretchen.
Gretchen, nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Oh my
Hey,
God.
Ryan.
Gretchen.
Nice to meet you.
Well, Gretchen's Vancouver Island, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we were watching your videos last night.
Oh.
I've seen every single one.
That's Denny for you.
Total control.
Yeah, that
Total
was
control of my
Totally
vehicle.
fine. There was nothing wrong there.
That felt great, especially with you right in front of me.
Yeah, standing there.
Yeah.
I saw you coming. I was like, I'm gonna move to the side.
Yeah. I was like coming down and I was just sliding down and I thought that I made a mistake and put it in neutral, but it was in like first gear.
Yeah, there was just no stopping.
Yeah.
Yeah, Denny.
Needed to give her a little more. Oh, I had to feel that.
As we got further into the trail, the snow and wind was starting to pick up, and the light was already starting to fade in the sky.
beautiful day, Denny.
I know. Nice views too.
Yeah,
Got a whole bunch of mountains over there.
you can see for miles.
Got more mountains over that way.
Yeah, look at all those mountains.
Yeah.
Now this view is incredible.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wind is just ripping up here. Sideways snow. It's getting spicy.
Oh, clunky. You made that look easy.
Yeah, that was no problem at all. I don't know
Can't
what's
believe the
going on.
tires held on to that. That was...
That's the wrong way. Come this way. Come this way. That's the wrong way.
Somewhere over yonder, life comes and fades away. Like blues on your skin,
Nailed it.
blue sky
Hardline
on
Ryan.
yellow ground. Like leaves that keep on falling through the cracks in the streets tonight. I wanna walk right out
You gotta go up, Daddy. Up.
of this world. So long, so long, so long, so long. I'll see you someday. So long, so long, so long.
Ah. Failure.
Oh no.
The message is the Christmas tree of death has returned.
Oh no.
Oh no, all the things.
All the things, no bus.
No.
How am I gonna get home without a bus?
At least I'm closer this time.
Hey Bruce, can you call that recovery guy that saved me last time? It's not an ideal place to be stuck. At least the weather's nice. Just like
I
a
wouldn't be
random.
surprised if it's a ground. Electrical so often goes back to ground, and ground can reground itself and then not. Like
Yeah.
slightly loose ground to the frame or
Well,
body or
let's shake the truck.
Yeah. I mean, in my
Well, it's like-
experience, like a ground, just a simple ground from somewhere electrical can just make everything go crazy.
Is that not how we got to start last time? We shook the truck
We
while
did
I.
shake it.
Yeah.
Okay.
well, and that's like
Shaking.
Let's shake the truck.
Here, I'll hold the camera while you shake the truck. Oh yeah, you would, wouldn't you?
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it good. Dun, 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 dun.
This is how we take care of it.
It's not working.
Go!
Why isn't it starting?
Shake it harder, Captain!
Nothing.
Didn't work.
Oh.
Come on. Why is this happening to me? Oh, something happened. Oh.
A piece of here. This
Oh,
way.
I can get. Hold on.
Whoa.
Oh, we are back online, baby. A little defrost going here. See if we can get this thing moving.
With the truck rolling again, there was no way out but forward. I'd have to hope for the best as we pushed onward with still half the trail ahead and a snowstorm dumping on us.
It's bumpy, but probably keep a little momentum.
This was a particularly tricky steep hill climb on some snow-covered rocks.
Didn't make it. First snow recovery, eh?
Yeah.
Of the season. Whoa, it's so slick. There must be a rock under there or something.
I believe it. I think that this would be a bit challenging anytime. Even in the dry.
Okay. See if I can get in without dying.
Good luck, Godspeed.
Thank you.
Yeah, give her a good hit, tiny bit passenger.
Keep going, keep going. Get out of the way, right? Whoa, stop.
If you didn't, you were about to be two trees.
Off the track, Ryan.
Okay, you have room to back up if you want to.
Here you go. Keep going. Faster, faster, faster.
Yes, keep
More, get the juice. Yes. There you go. Good.
That feels good.
Hey Gretchen, are you excited?
Now they have to let you out of your cage. Feeling stuck between a rock and a home. Two places you do not want to go. So he's putting on a drum show. Even now, he'll take the longer way home. Even now, he'll never ever say so. He drives fast just to feel it. He drives slow if the song's not over. Drown it out.
Nice.
was good fun.
Nice.
How about that?
That was very well done.
Well, that was fun. Hopefully there's no more slick hills like that, because that's so time consuming. It's getting dark. But at least the Jeep's running good now. We're back on track. I guess. Woo! That was a wild ride.
Yeah, like I said, in the summer, it's a nice little slow rock crawl.
Eddie, you should come out here. It's nice out. No, it's beautiful.
I can barely see you and you're like 5 feet through.
Not bad.
I do this enough all winter, so I'll stay in here, be nice and toasty until people need me to get out.
It's snowing.
Well, as you can see, it's snowing on top of the mountain, but it's going well. We're probably about halfway.
Yeah. Oh boy.
I see no problems.
Nope. I can't see much, to be honest. So I can't see.
Yeah, it's a little bit of a whiteout, but other than that,
My dad always said, "Don't go down anything you're not sure you can't get back up."
right.
And we did that about 14 times, I think. So.
No, we went up something. We're not sure we can get back down, so it's okay.
And downs. And then there's 2 ups that I'm not sure we can get up.
Oh, okay.
So that
Well-
should be fine.
We can always sleep here.
It is nice. Shotgun the greenhouse.
As we got deeper into the blizzard, we had to descend a bit of a slick hill. I managed to make a slow, controlled descent while Gretchen picked up a bit of speed. Ryan, however, decided to go full bobsled.
I hate to burst anyone's bubble, but I don't think we're making it to the top of Mara today.
Oh, man.
Yeah, I already broke the news about an hour ago.
Epic. That was fun.
How's everyone's traction doing?
I managed some.
Say 2 out of 10. don't misjudge my run there. I'm a lot lighter and shorter wheelbase. You'll have a lot easier time with that.
We'd arrived at the first of the climbs Bruce was worried about.
You got this, Sean? Nice, you made it look easy. Okay, you gave me some confidence there.
That was rad.
All right foot.
I mean, that was much easier than some of the other hills that we've done.
Soul walkers.
I was able to hemi power my way up, but after sliding backwards a bit, Gretchen hooked up for a tow from Bruce. Sketchy hill action.
We're already at those two bad hills I was worried about.
So, moving on.
Yay, let's do another. So I can't die before then.
Okay, I'll take that into consideration.
This hill looks terrible.
The next hill was basically a rock crawl covered in ice.
Just so you know, you look so badass right now. The camera is not going to do it justice, but that hill that Bruce is on right there, that's like a 45-degree angle in the snow, up a mountain, a blizzard. What day is it? Saturday.
I mean, remember what my dad used to say? Yeah. Dude, don't follow my son. Yeah, I think it was don't follow my son. He goes down things he can't get back up or something like that. Yeah, there you go. Great spot. Yep, right there.
Here we go. Number 3.
After 2 failed slower attempts, I went for full skinny pedal.
Hemi power, baby. That was wild.
Hell yeah. I was not in a great position to gun it out of the way because I was, yeah, anyways, good. Yeah, hell yeah. Pay attention to where I'm going.
We've made it to the summit. Oh, something wrong?
Trouble's engaging the transfer case.
Oh. It's not very good.
So that's high.
All right, Denny.
Where are you guys? Oh, nice.
It's a good day.
Where are you guys gonna camp? Up here?
Right here.
Nice.
Yeah, it's a little windy.
It is.
Not a lot of tree cover.
No.
Nope.
Everyone set up for windy camping?
Well,
I mean,
Pretty much.
get in your tent with the heater on and
we'll be warm enough.
call it done. I mean, you could go back to that T and go to the right, and that's in the trees more.
Yeah.
Because like you could just park on the road anywhere. These are all dead end. No one's coming up here tonight.
It's a wee bit windy.
Oh, okay.
What do you think?
Still get some fresh snow to blast.
I mean, I
out
think
on.
anywhere is going to be a bit crazy right now, but
Well, we're kind of on the side of the mountain here, though. If we
Yeah.
go like,
if you go into the trees a bit, it might be a bit more.
Yeah, if you're saying down to the left, we had that little cutoff road. We could just park on the road.
Yeah.
And I would just like not go to the end of it because it'll be logged also. So I
Yeah.
just anywhere there's a little pullout.
thanks for the good day.
Go team. That was good.
Quite the
Bruce,
team
great to
day.
meet you.
I'm glad you guys are still smiling because sometimes people that follow are not smiling.
You know how I roll.
Yep, exactly.
That was a lot of fun.
Company you keep.
Yeah.
But nope.
Well, Bruce and Denny are going to take off. We're going to find somewhere a little more sheltered than this to camp and probably get buried in snow overnight. So we'll see how things end up in the morning. We found ourselves a spot to camp. It's not like anything spectacular, but everything in the snow in the forest is wonderful. It's going to be epic here in the morning because it's going to dump snow on us all night. And then we'll see what happens in the morning. I'm excited.
Oh man, I'm stoked. I'm so happy to be here.
Yeah.
It had been a long day, and we went for a quick setup and meal before bed.
We got some ground beef, and then you just cook it upside down, and then right now you have that, and then you let it kind of cook in its juice on this side.
That looks amazing.
Yeah, and then we have some burger sauce and some lettuce to pop on there.
And in the morning, to cap off an epic adventure, we woke up to this.
It snowed more.
Yeah,
It snowed like 8 inches, 6, 8 inches.
yeah.
Yeah, that's exactly what the forecast called for on my
Was it?
phone. Yeah,
Yeah.
Wow.
yeah. It's cool because it uses like the clouds and stuff. Never mind.
Whoa, man.
I'm awake.
Wow.
This is the clouds.
You guys know how the weather works?
Is this delirium setting in?
Yeah. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, eh?
Yeah. I just learned that when you like a video, that actually like does a lot for the engagement and showing it to other people. I always thought it was just like an annoying thing that people said, but it actually makes a really big difference. Who knew? So if you can hit that like button, it'll really help Sean out.
The more you know. Do-do-do-do-do.
You love from crumbling bridges, watching cityscapes turn to dust. Filming helicopters crashing in the ocean from